Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a collab here, great one, with Michele Morrone. I believe that is an Italian actor, singer, and he have done this song with 2 feet, and 2 feet we had before here on Gordon Guitar. What a great match there with these two actors, artists. So anyway, let's go into the song called Leave Me by Myself, Baby. That's how the lyrics continues. Leave Me is the title. Let's go into this one with the capo set here on the 3rd fret. That's the setup, and we have 3 chords there. 3 easy chords. It's the E minor, D, and A minor. Let's first focus on the chords, and we're gonna look at E minor first. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D next, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. I'm gonna give you an alternative to this D, and that will be this. Looks like a C in the shape, and it's over at 5th fret A string, 4th fret D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. I give you this one because of the picking pattern later is reminiscent of this shape. All right, so we're out there. So if you want to have like this continuous jump out to this position, then you can choose to go with this D. All right, and the final chord is A minor. All right, so that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right. So we have the picking pattern we're going to focus on first, and then go into the strumming and use the full chords. Now, first picking pattern, we're going to go chord by chord. Like I mentioned before, we have 1 chord progression, E minor, D, and A. That's how it goes, A minor. So we're going to look at E minor first. It goes like this. So you're going to play the open E string in the bass together with open B. Then second D, open G, back to second D, then open B, and finally second D. I hold the full chord as it is. You actually don't have to. You notice maybe now that it's not to just hold a second D string there. But that is how I do it. I'm always ready to go into the strumming world, so that's what I do. As long as I can, I hold a full chord normally. So again, E minor. That is how it goes slowly, and that is how you should start your practice, and then gradually speed up your tempo. That's the E minor part. Over now to the D, and what I do now, I hold this grip. That is to focus first on the 5th fret A string with second G. You're gonna pick that. Then you're gonna go again to 5th A, then 4th D, then back to 5th A, then second G, and 5th A. It's a little bit tricky to go over from this, perhaps to get all of these fingers right in this position. A little bit stretchy and a little bit all over the place there. But I tried to first focus on the first 2 notes I need to have. So that's the 5th A and second G. Then I have a short second to play the 4th D after I play the 5th A again. So I have a second before I need to put that on there with my ring finger, in this case the 4th D string. So I focus to get these 2 notes right first, and then I put that down in the same time as I need it. So that's how I do it in my head, and you have your way perhaps, but that is how it goes slowly. Okay, and then we have the final chord A minor. This is twice as long as the other chords, and you will see that invaluable later when we do the strumming. It will be E minor 1, D1, and A minor 2. Okay, so this A minor part, we're gonna look at the first half first, and it goes. So here you have to hold the chord as it is, full chord. You're gonna play the open A together with first B, then second D, second G, back to second D, first B, and second D. Slowly. Okay, and the second half will be this part. Okay, so that will be to play open A together with open high E, then second D, second G, and then comes this part. That would be to play and pick the first fret B string, and with that finger I'm using, in this case the index finger, I snap off and pull off like that to get the open B string. So I pick the first B and pull off to get the open B. So I'm not picking that open B here, I'm just do like this. And then I use the same technique on the second fret G string to get the open G string. I pick the second G and pull off to get the open G. That's the final note of the A minor and for this melody. So slowly the last part here for A minor was. Okay, so there you have it, and I'm gonna take you through one round slowly and then one round or so in standard tempo. Let's go. And in tempo. Beautiful melody, and that is what's going on from the beginning till the very end if you wish, but you can also go into the strumming. So let's do that together now. Grab the first chord, E minor, and one string around will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, like this. So down, down, up, clap, up, down. A couple rounds. You're gonna play E minor, one string around, D, one string around, and A minor, two string arounds. You just speed up a little bit and it will sound like this. And you can build in some notes here and there with the beats and strumming and all that good stuff and make it in your own version. And that's how you handle Michele Morrone and 2 Feet Leave Me. All right, so thank you for support, guys. I can already now hear your click there on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Really appreciate all the support, guys. So keep that in mind. Help me out here, and hope to see you soon on this channel very, very soon. Till next time, play tuned.